Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings within the Fall Guys 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can choose from various different game modes that you can play. Now, if you wish to change the sensitivity settings for your mouse within the game, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner or press the escape button within your keyboard. Now from this page, just tap on the keyboard option to change the camera sensitivity options. Now use the slider and slide it to the right if you wish to increase the sensitivity, and slide it to the left if you wish to decrease it. You can change both the horizontal as well as vertical axes. After defining your sensitivity level, you may also change your control settings if you wish. Finally, tap on the back button in order to apply your changes, and now you can start your match, and you will immediately be able to see your sensitivity settings being changed. If you wish to change this back to the default settings, you can come back to the settings menu at any time and change this back to 50%. You may also do the same if you have a controller available by going to the controller menu, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings within the Fall Guys game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.